Welcome to MakaiPlan, the world's leading subsea cable planning software. This video will demonstrate using the Profile View and Profile Data windows. MakaiPlan uses the crossings between bathymetric contours and the path to generate a bottom profile or graph of depth versus KP. A table of the exact data points that MakaiPlan uses to generate the graph is visible from the Profile Data window. Another way to generate this graph is by importing your own profile in the form of a text or CSV file. This can also be done through the Profile View window. Now we will take a closer look at the Profile View. All of the red lines correspond to path points, and the path point index numbers are shown at the top of the line. By default, the graph's aspect ratio is set to the extents of the window size. The aspect ratio can be changed with this tool to any ratio available in the drop-down menu. The aspect ratio you are currently using is displayed at the very bottom of the screen. The other icons at the top of the window allow you to navigate Profile View in the same way they allow you to navigate Plan View. The Zoom Extents button changes the aspect ratio to zoom out to the full extents of the window. Another useful tool that allows you to view data from Profile View is the KP marker. This allows you to view the exact depth and slope value at any KP. These values are displayed at the very bottom of the window next to the aspect ratio. There are three ways to move the KP marker. You can click and drag the marker, type in a KP, or use the arrows to step through the graph. Currently, the KP marker arrows step you through the graph at 10-kilometer increments. This setting and other view settings can be changed from the Properties window. You can change the color scheme used, adjust KP marker settings for auto-centering and step distance, toggle what reference lines and points are shown, toggle off and on the depth and slope graph, and select what you would like to always keep in view. Clicking OK will set the changes. Other functions are available through the File and Tools menus. From the File menu, you can extract the data. You can export the data to a text file, or print the graphs as displayed. Another way to extract the data is by right-clicking the graphs and clicking Copy. This will copy the graphs as an image which you can paste into another application. Exporting data is also available through the Profile Data window. The Tools menu contains various other tools related to the Profile Data. Show Profile Data is another way to access the Profile Data window. Profile thinning allows you to reduce the number of data points in the bathymetry to increase the speed of the application. First, you can specify the KP range you would like to thin. You can also specify the data point spacing, which is in terms of KP distance increments. If you choose to space the data based on depth ranges, the right side of the Profile Data thinning window will become available for you to set your depth ranges and their respective KP increments. The last factor you can control is the method by which the data is thinned. To set the changes, you would click Apply, but for this example, we will not thin the data. Thinning is also available through the Profile Data window. The last tool in this menu is the Define Cable by Depth tool. Like thinning, you can select the range of the path you would like to apply the cable transitions to. You can also select and alter depth range and cable type of the cable transitions you would like to include. Once that is set, you can save your settings to be the default for use in future projects. Click Next to bring up a window where you will be given a list of cable transitions. Click OK to set these changes. These cable transitions will be visible from Plan View and the Map Legend. The final and most important feature in Profile View is the ability to update it as you make changes to your path. For example, if you move a point, the profile along the moved section could have changed. Profile View will recognize this change and temporarily connect the ends of the two unchanged sections with a red line to signify invalid data. Also notice that the KP marker is shown in Plan View as a red cross. To update the data, click Update. A window will appear which will allow you to choose which bathymetry database and feature you would like to reference. In this project, there is only one bathymetry feature, so the setting is fine. Like the other tools, you can also select the range that you update. For this example, the default settings of only updating moved path segments and not deleting other existing data within the range of the entire path is appropriate. Click OK to begin updating. Both graphs are now all green, which means the data are valid. Now we will take a closer look at the Profile Data window. You can edit the profile data from this window by adding, editing, or deleting data points. Notice that in the same way red lines appeared after changes were made in Plan View, the Profile View window has red lines again due to the changes made to the profile data. After your changes have been made, click Apply to update the path data. Please contact Makai to try the software or for more information. Thanks for watching.